Take a ride in the 2014 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.